Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Cough syrup is primarily designed to treat symptoms of a cough and cold. Some ingredients in cough syrup, like dextromethorphan, can have sedative effects, which may make some people feel relaxed or drowsy. However, it's important to use cough syrup responsibly and according to the label. Misuse can lead to serious health issues. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using cough syrup for any purpose other than its intended medical use.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.